Sophie?
I know what exactly you want, where you want it, and how you want it.
What happened to your hands?
I'm sorry, sir.
And you're still staring.
There's someone under your desk.
How's that your business?
I can see you are pissed and you need to be left alone.
Get out.
Okay, sir.
You too. Get out.
Shameless is overused. Which other words will I use to describe it?
Your mentor, probably your role model.
A shameless hoe can't be my role model. Rather, a woman on the streets, a mad woman. I would prefer her.
Would you shut up your lying gutter mouth? I know you've always wanted to be everything that I am, but you can never be. My beauty and curves are a living proof.
Anyway, you can occupy under his desk. Why? I grace his bed all night. Ebenezer, you can't see us.
Point of correction.
Ebony. No be give me the name, no spoiler.
Would you get out of here?
Hey, shut up! Are you saying all that thing for your eye? And what's that supposed to mean? Everything that is supposed to mean. I know be the color of your problem.
Just look at this dirty, retarded cleaner.
Environmental developer. Or you add surveyor. You dey hear me? Shebi you dey hear? See, you need to dey give me respect because nobody you give me this job.
What's going on here?
Okay, you sure say you want to know wetin dey go on here? Nah, that thing wey dey in between your leg, na they go on here.
Are you stupid?
Ask them now.
Are you very stupid?
No, sir.
Like, what's your post?
I dey sweep okay.
Go back to your post. And you too. Don't be stupid.
Roland! 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 Rolando!
Excuse me, ma'am. Who are you, please?
Who are you?
I'm a staff here.
You are a staff. You are a staff and you are... What is this thing you're wearing?
Corporate.
Corporate. So this is corporate. That the thing cannot reach your knee. It's afraid to touch your leg. Huh? This is how you used to wear corporate.
Who are you, ma?
Well, for your information, I am Mrs. Roland, your Oga wife.
I'm sorry, ma. Sorry.
Eh? Oh.
Who is she?
Eh? No get respect for your generation. Now, Oga first lady, first wife, CEO. Excuse me, point of correction. One and only. Which one is first wife? Now you want to give her a second wife?
So sorry, ma.
Sorry for yourself. What is the meaning of all this one? Look at hair. Is it the hair color they wear to company? Is this one disco or pornographic company? Look at all this one. See Manchester full everywhere. For what reason? For what reason? Look at. Eh? Oh! My man, the entire my eyes, Abi. You want to snatch my man? You rather use eyes see man that is progressing. Church on church, you are looking for already made man so that you can reap from where you did not sow. If you do face like that again, I will pluck your face. See, eyelashes like ego. Since people have refused to respect your sex and dress where you want to naked, well, women supporting women, I will keep people to naked today. Who have scissors here?
Madam, I get scissors.
Go and bring it for me.
Thank you, madam.
I'm coming to work. A responsible girl. Look at them. Agents of darkness. Madam, daughters of Jezebel. Demonic agent of distraction. Since people don't want to wear clothes. It's you. It's you. I want you to start. Next time, for henceforth, if you are going to work, your skirt will reach. Your skirt will reach. Don't let this issue kill you. If you want to naked, I will naked you now. Nonsense. Rubbish. I don't want to naked. I will help you to naked defender. Naked defender. Get out of my sight.
Jesus.
Get out of this place.
I can't believe what just happened.
Jesus, no be only Jesus. Is it Jesus that asked you to wear a shower skirt? Say as it be.
Madam, I like what you do. You do first class.
You no join them.
Madam, I cooperate like this one.
Thank you. What is that your name again?
Ebony for short.
Ebony. See, I want you to be my eyes and ears in this company. Yes, you will be giving me every information that concerns my man. All his movements, all his doings, I want to be hearing it. Then, when I secure ring, they've not married me complete yet. When they marry me, when I secure my place in his life. So do I forget it? I will reward you with high promotion.
Now you go promote me.
High star.
You go promote me.
Now me get this company now.
Thank you, don't mention. Madam, you want my resume work? No, I'll be later.
With immediate effects. Yes, all these guests now will be giving me information, just all of them, so that I can correct my place. My government will favor you.
Madam, immediate effect means say make I start work immediately.
Immediately now?
I don't start now. This work don't mean so. No, make I tell you something. You see, Oga, nothing go make me, no record down. Oga, they sleep with all those girls.
Hey!
All of them.
You serious?
Hey! Jesus Christ. Hey! Very serious. No need evidence now, no get. But I see everything. See that Oga office, so the man go on a virgin for where it.
Hey!
Oga to do.
I knew it. No problem. I like that. You will be gathering information and evidence, facts. You just be telling me.
So I go record down. FBI.
Just keep doing this. And trust me, the sky is a limit. You will go find this company.
I go for sky.
Oh, I believe me. This news will you give me so. Okay now, Ronald will meet me. He will meet me today.
Another work from my resume. I'll look at this one.
What is this stupid insecurity I'm hearing you display in the office today?
Insecurity? Abi, is the Sodom and Gomorrah that you are doing in this office that I came to come and spoil?
You had no right whatsoever to embarrass my staff, you know that.
Staff Abi mistress. All your mistress them are concubine. You pack them inside office.
I see. So who are you paying? Because it's obvious you have a wagging tongue here.
Yes, I've been listening to wagging tongue that is telling me how you are behaving like a he-goat and allow all these girls to be parading around like harlots and a poster. Roland, you want to use your hand to spoil company that me and my father use hard-earned money to help you to raise?
I beg your pardon?
Don't beg any pardon because I do not have pardon to give you. call your office now. Supposed give me champagne, everything.
You know what? I think I need some space.
Huh? Which space? What? You lie, you cannot break up with me, you cannot do any space, anything. You lie! See, this relationship forever is the deal.
So what do you call this? A cult? A blood oath or a relationship? What is this to you?
It concern you. Whether you call it blood covenant or cult or anything, as long as me and you, no leave, no transfer. So just die all those thinking in your mind though, no space, nothing. And then bring drink for me, bring something. This is not how I want to start day with you. Don't be kore. Ah.
Sis, not again.
You know, it's something I'm not proud of.
Then you wait.
I wish I can.
Sis, you can't continue doing something wrong because you believe it's impossible for you to stop. You can start from somewhere. Maybe a rehab.
That requires fund. I don't have. You don't have. We don't have.
Your ex introduced you to a very deadly habit. Now he has left you. The worst way to view someone's life is by introducing them to drugs. It kills faster than AIDS.
Yeah. Come by my house on your way home, okay?
I'm not coming.
Why?
The other day, you treated me like a piece of trash. It's high time I demand some respect. Or don't you think so?
Do you want to bid your job farewell? Thanks so much. Don't keep me waiting. Yeah. Okay.
I have no choice.
meeting.
Ah, sir, you're leaving?
Yeah, anything?
Will you return to see today?
I have a few appointments. Should be back soon. Not sure.
Okay. So should I cancel all the appointments?
If I'm not back by 2 p.m., you should.
Okay, sir. So, I saw this in the suggestion box. So I feel you may like to see it.
Drop it there. When I come back, I will see it.
Okay, sir.
Forget I'm your boss, right?
It was a reflex, sir.
A reflex can get you fired.
Boss, my job shouldn't be a barricade in protecting myself from being molested.
I honestly think you're doing more.
I'm not interested to be like others.
So you think you're better than others?
I didn't say so, and I don't want to be like them. I'm just a different person.
Yeah. You're different. Maybe I should taste something different. Get out.
Okay, good evening.
It's morning.
No boss.
And what are you doing in my office? How can I help you?
Okay, don't forget my work. Environmental survey and I be my job for you. Bye.
Yeah, come on in.
Sir, you sent for me.
Yes, I did. Take this file with you and bring it to my house at the close of work today.
Boss, I will be going home. I feel it's right you go alongside with it.
And you'll be following my instructions to the detail. Okay? Now tell the other people outside to come back tomorrow. Come back here. You can go.
I wanna play this game. Are you ready or not? I wanna play this game.
Where's your mom?
The game is on. through the night. Yeah, ready or not, you lose or win. That is how it goes. Are you ready to play this game?
Good afternoon. I'm fine, sir. Good afternoon.
Very good. Would you mind excuse us, please?
Okay, sir. This is the document.
Yeah, you can drop it there.
Okay, sir.
No, there.
Where?
There.
Okay, sir. I have to be leaving now.
Why? I mean, you just got here, and this is actually your first time in my house. You should have something. Let me play something at least.
Okay.
Please sit.
Okay.
Oh, please, sit here. Feel at home, okay?
Okay, sir.
So, what can I offer you?
I'm fine, sir.
Take something at least.
Water will be fine.
Water?
Yes, sir.
Haven't you had so much water today at the office? Warm water, hot water, cold water. You know what? I'll help you with something, okay? I know the best thing for you. Come to drop your bags, losing your shoes. Something sweet for a sweet girl.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So, there you go. So how was work today?
It was fine, sir.
And hope the weather wasn't too hot during sweat.
No, it was not.
It's okay. Can I play something to eat at least? Hmm? You don't want to eat anything?
Oh.
Let me help you with this. Sure, probably. I had too much sun. It's okay, just relax yourself. Maybe you're just tired. Maybe you're just tired. You should be happy, you know. At least you got this virgin by one of the most complete bachelors in town. Yeah. You're right. You're different. But you can't lie that at some point you did enjoy it. Just act like a child. You gotta be a boss. Okay? And I'll let it slide now, but I'll do it again. I'll take care of you, okay?
You choked me and took my virginity. What? Ruth, please, calm down, it's okay. Listen, don't worry, okay? Huh?
I didn't want to deserve this,
Please. You're breaking my heart, okay? Wipe your tears, sis. Wipe your tears. I don't like you crying. It's okay. Leave me. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Listen to me. Please. I know it's hard, but please just stop crying. Please, okay? I'm so
sorry. I'm so sorry. Please stop crying. I don't want you to stop. Don't do this, please. It's okay.
You don't come into my office without notifying me first.
I'm sorry, sir, but this is not my first time of seeing you in this position. So I don't know why you're asking for privacy.
And what does that mean?
A client is here to see you.
So I don't want to be there in the next 10 minutes.
Okay, sir.
And what was that? Are you also sleeping with that thing?
I don't think I owe you an explanation. I really don't want you.
Felix Douglas.
Paris. Pardon me, are you in any way related to Chief Ogbonna Douglas of Iris Limited?
He's my father.
Wow. My pleasure. Nice having you here. Can I offer you something?
No, I'm fine. I think I'm good. Let's proceed. What quantity of stock do you have?
I am not very certain at the moment. I can't be very accurate, but I know we have over. We were expecting running into hundreds of millions. Let me just quickly check.
Okay, well, why not do that somewhere? Maybe later. I want a stock worth about 500 million naira. So you check and get back to me.
Sure. I would check, and I have your contacts here. I will show you back to you on that. Thank you. Are you sure you don't want anything?
I'm fine. Nice to meet you.
Yes, nice meeting you too. Nice meeting you too. Thank you very much. Are you sure you don't want something before you? Fine.
Babe, what exactly is wrong with you? You haven't been yourself this week.
I'll be fine. I'm fine.
You don't look fine. It's obvious something is troubling you. A problem shared is a problem solved.
Sophia, thanks for your concern. I said I'm fine.
What happened last weekend in his house?
What are you talking about?
You know exactly what I'm talking about.
Haba! I don't know.
Okay, have your seat. So, Ma, what should I apply?
A glass of juice.
Thank you. For you.
How are you?
Here's the file you asked for.
Yeah. Drop it there, I don't need it.
We asked for the document.
Well, I asked you to bring it to law you here.
So what exactly, sir?
Why are you talking like a small girl? I called here for praise and worship. Do you like your job?
You want to do anything where they underskirt. No, no, no. You want to chuku. Anything where you see where they pass for your corner. For your corner. You know they think about the consequences. If it follow and come. You know they check whether it good, whether it bad. Oh, all you want is to enter. You know they think about the consequences. If it follow and come. You know they check whether it good, whether it bad. Oh, all you want is to enter.
Hey, where are you taking the files to?
The file?
Yeah.
Boss said I should bring it to his house.
Why?
I don't know.
Please don't go to his house.
Why? Am I supposed to adhere to your own orders? I have to go.
Ruth! Ruth! What kind of game is Roland playing? What really transpired? Are you having an affair with her?
With who?
The lady you lured into your apartment last weekend with a fake document again.
Sophie, you know you have no right meddling in my affairs.
Excuse me? I have every right to meddle in your affairs. I'm your woman, remember? We are dating. Roland, why do you always treat me like this? Why do you treat me like a trash? Like I don't even matter at all. Whereas you derive pleasure in having me in your bed. Even if you're going to cheat, why rub it to my face? There are a lot of pretty girls out there. Why must you take someone from the office?
You're right. I'm sorry. But I think I'm done with this situation.
Excuse me? Why?
Because I'm your boss. I decide what I want, when I want it, and how I want it. And right now I am done with this situation. If you're uncomfortable with it, you can roll in your resignation letter and I promise you I would accept it.
You want to do anything where they underskirt. No, no, no. You want to chuku. Anything where you see where they pass for your corner. For your corner. You know they think about the consequences. If it follow and come. You know they check whether it good, whether it bad. Oh, all you want is to enter. You know they think about the consequences. If it follow and come. You know they check whether it good, whether it bad. Oh, all you want is to enter. find wahala, you go see palava. No be every animal way hunter they shoot. So open your eyes, I see the chop what they watch. I see the watch, they look, what they try to observe. Oh. This game can change anytime. Oh.
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
Are you going my way? I mean, I could drop you off.
No.
Hey, look, your way is my way. Whatever way you're going, I've been waiting out here for you. You know what? Why don't we just do lunch at my place?
Don't you think that is too early?
I agree with you, very early. And I'm also a businessman. I like to go for what I really want. I want you. So why beat around the bush or waste time? So lunch at my place? They say woman's silence means yes. I'm happy with this.
No. You want to chuku. Anything when you see where they pass for your corner. For your corner. You know they think about the consequences. If it follow, come. You know they check whether it good, whether it bad. All you want is to enter. You know they think about the consequences. If it follow, come. You know they check whether it good, whether it bad. All you want is to enter. Sharp bad guy, but to define wahala, you go see palava. No be every animal way hunter they shoot. So open your eyes, I see the chop with their watch. I see the watch, they look, what they try to observe.
Thank you.
Welcome to my humble home.
Thank you.
Please sit. Ojama! Ozoma! Please set the table, okay? Yeah. What would you like to have?
Anything is fine.
Anything?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Ozoma! Ozoma! Please come. Please set the table, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, nice. So where have you been all my life?
Somewhere.
Somewhere seems like a nice place. Seems like I have wasted 30-something years of my life.
No, I think it's just time preparing us for the best moment.
Oh, time is my best friend. The moment seems right.
Okay, please, enough of this flattering.
I'm not flattering you, it's just accurate words. I mean, don't you look at yourself in the mirror sometimes and just admire yourself? If I was you, I'd probably date myself too. Thank you. Oh, please.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much.
You were just one beautiful human being. Did you fall from the sky?
Maybe.
Seems like you did.
Thank you.
Don't lift a finger, I'll do everything for you. I hope you like the food.
Wow. Nice.
I can't stop staring at you. You are really beautiful.
Thank you.
I thought you had some dignity left in you. What are you on about? See, you don't want to see the bad side of me. Don't step on my toes, trust me.
Stop making a fool of yourself and hit the nail on the head. Or as well, you shift for me.
Stay away from the boss. Hence, you're going to see the bad side of Sophie.
The boss? You're fighting over a man that you're just a mistress to. What a proud side chick. Anyway, staying away from the boss has nothing to do with your disgusting threat. It has everything to do with my dignity. And do not for any reason stop me for this nonsense again.
Get out of here! Can you imagine?
And then the evidence where you say make I help you dey get na be this. This my eye I dey see. It dey see past touch. As they waka they do their cookery waka they enter inside they come outside and they see and they record everything. Even when they go raise their leg they do ooh ah harder and they record them. Na be this. And the people.
You are serious.
Madam, if I'm not serious, make my left nyash bend. I don't feel lie. I tell you so Oga office. So the man Gomorrah, in fact, now here na be their headquarters.
So those girls get mind. Where are they?
They're inside.
Where are those girls? Come out! Leave that here. Leave that. I said leave that right now. Your sister. Leave that. You want me to kill you here? So, you people, as I want you rich, you still get mind to sleep with my man.
Mama, this is wrong now. This is wrong. We're all adults. Why you do respect? Don't treat us that way.
Shut up your mouth! I thought of you. If you don't like the treatment, then you go to court. It's yours. Boy, if I hear clean from your mouth, I will make sure you are fired without salary. Anyway, all of you will be fired. But your own without salary. Say I make face like pussy cat.
Madam, now this one and this one, they go to Oga. They don't dey tire.
This one. I will deal with you in this office. So you have the mind. Okay, you will see yourself. All of you will see yourself.
Now she dey shout harder.
You don't do. Information minister. Roland!
I'm not talking anything. I go fire you, sef.
Roland.
What are you doing? What is all this rubbish about?
Shameless man! You shameless man! Come on. Which time have I not given you? Better select, I give you. Wheelbarrow, I give. Cowgirl, reverso, I give you. Hanging off.
Why don't you use your sense and know that I need space? I asked for space. Give me space!
You will not get that.
I don't want this to. Give me space!
You will not get it, you lie. Space you will not see. Just die that matter. In fact, say this.
And what is this?
It's a list of names of people that you will sack from this company.
You don't come to my office and tell me how to run my company, who to fire or not to fire, okay?
I will tell you, and you must hear. Because if not for me and my father, you will not have this company in the first place. In fact, from now on, I will begin to do employment. I will begin to employ people of myself in this company. Nonsense. If you like, waka go. As you waka go, you will waka come back. It's me and you. It's me and you. This company. Nonsense.
I wanna play this game. Are you ready?
Your presence is all I needed to wear a smile on my face.
You always have words to blow my mind off.
It's not about my words. They're beautiful.
Excuse me.
What?
Well, I think this is not right. You haven't done anything for me to lure me to your bed.
That's not right. I know my words would never be enough. And I know it's not about money. But I just want you to know that I want something real with you.
Well, that's secondary. We have to define this first.
So, you want a definition?
Mm-hmm.
Well, one thing for sure is that I would never treat you bad. I would never lie to you. I'd never let you down. I just want you to know that this one is real. And I want you on my side.
You know they think about the consequences. If it follow will come. And when they check whether it good, whether it bad, oh, all you want is to enter. You know they think about the consequences. If it follow will come. You know they check whether it good, whether it bad, oh, all you want is to enter. Sharp bad guy, but to define wahala, you go see palava. No be every animal way hunter they shoot. So open your eyes, I see the chop with their watch. I see the watch, they look, what they try to observe. Oh. Cause the game can change anytime. Oh.
Ojoma! Ojoma! Have you seen my girlfriend?
Who, sir?
What are you talking about? The girl that was here not so long ago now.
There's so many of them to recognize.
Ojoma, you stupid. Eh? The third girl that was here that had curves.
Sir, I've not seen anyone, sir.
Get out.
Hmm?
Get out!
Okay, sir.
The afternoon will not be good for you if you don't pack all your things. Stand up and get out of this office.
To where, ma?
You can go to fire. That will concern you. You can go and squat in any of the offices. That is your business. But my own is that I am the new permanent secretary for Roland.
Is my boss aware of this?
I think you should get out. You ask me a question. I said, get out of business. Get out. You ask me a question. Hey.
You just...
Come back.
This is very important. You just tore our paper.
Is it not paper?
No, it's very important.
Get out of this paper. Put another one. Yes. Come back. What is the meaning of all this?
Huh?
I can see that you people don't used to hear word in this office. After I've known you people not to be doing this kind of rubbish. You want to confuse my man with Manchester. disco cloth to you? Look at the clothes you are wearing. You yellow. You now wear. My friend, get out of this place. Don't try this rubbish again, oh. Get out. See, gone. You are light skin. You still wear light skin clothes so that they can notice you fast. All you these guests, pure, looking for man to smash. It's not my mind you collect. Nonsense. I've come to resume. I don't go school complete, but I know how they used to press computer. What are you really even doing? Which work are you even doing as secretary? It's not just to carry paper. Okay now. I'm here. Hey Chiro, you don't used to employ me. It's me that used to employ myself. Hey, you're a guy, man. The person.
Good day.
I'm married.
I have an appointment with Roland.
Appointment?
Yes.
With Roland? Sister, she called this and let me see something. And turn around.
Why?
You want to teach me my work? I said call this and turn around first. It's like you don't want to do this appointment too.
Anything?
Plenty things, oh. Plenty things. What did you say you want to do with Roland? That is, which type of appointment did you have with him?
Business appointment.
You try. Like say Ashawo is not business. Since you cannot talk the type of business, in fact, even if you talk the business, that one concern you. You are not seeing Roland. It's not a seat. No way.
Sorry, I beg your pardon.
Don't beg me for pardon because I did not even have pardon to give you. You think I don't know your type? You think I did not know your type? Sister, you miss road though. If you are looking for Ale Avenue, red light district, it's not here. You will go down the road, You will walk out straight, then you take back. Back will carry you reach there. You will close your leg when you enter the back, oh, because it's not this office. You will display your Ashawo business.
Do you know how many millions this your act can cost this company?
Millionaire! Oyeji Kashi, thank you very much. Use that million when you buy better cloth to wear. You come back for your appointment. You hear? This is your cloth. I know the cost of the material. Tell your tailor, may he soon and rich grant. Come and be going. You are still standing here. They go now. Go dress well. See there, agent of darkness, agent of demonic distraction. Look at her. Spiritual wife. Now so you dey start. Look at you. Rubbish. I'm here for all of you. We were there. We were there when I was collecting my father's money to make sure that this man becomes a successful man tomorrow. When I was building my man, where are they? Rubbish. You see already made man now. You want to shook head. It will not work for you people. We die here. Hey. But this my man safe. Why only small fair girls I used to work with? Eh? My papa did not do this one. Oh. Anyway, Sha. Now here we dey. I stand fit, Mudiaga. Nobody can touch my man.
Yeah, I just don't know what to make of it. I woke up in the morning and I didn't see her anywhere. She was nowhere to be found. Exactly. What puzzles me is the fact that she left with nothing. But I know for sure it was not my performance because my performance was fire. My performance is always on fire. It couldn't be. I have a business call. Let me call you back, okay? Hello? Yes, good afternoon. What? Do you have any idea how much your actions about to cost this company?
Sir, I don't know what you're talking about. I didn't embarrass any lady. And there's no way I could have done such.
And you stand here and you lie to me to my face. Huh? If not you, who else grants people access into my office? Who else?
Maybe your girlfriend or your fiancé. I don't know.
What are you talking about? Who's girlfriend? Who's fiancé?
A lady assumed my position this morning and she just told me to fix myself somewhere else. Yes, sir.
What gives you the right to come to my office and take a... Look, Ejiro, I am sick and tired of your stupid attitude in your office. You are pushing me to the wall.
You are shouting for me? Eh? How will your workers respect me tomorrow if you are shouting for me in front of them?
I will not shout at you anymore. But let me make it very, very clear to you. Ejiro, if you don't want to experience my never-seen side before, Ejiro, pack your things and leave my office. Do you understand?
For what reason? Can I not work in my mass company?
Cost you millions? Do you know how much millions we've cost this company? Do you have any idea how much you have cost me?
Hey.
Do you know the money you lost this? Ejiro, I beg you in God's name. I beg you with everything I hold holy. You leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Oh.
And get out of my office, okay?
Hey.
As a matter of fact, this thing between you and I, it's over.
Hey!
Get out.
Get out your lie!
Ejiro, if I come back and still see you here, you won't like me. Now you come back and still see you here.
You cannot break up with me. You lie. You lie. After everything that I have done for you. Oh God. I'll leave your office, but you cannot break up with me. Hey. Who is that girl? How many millions did she want to bring compared to the million that me I used to make you the man that you are today? Calculate it now, Roland. Right from jump bites, reach now, Roland. Oh, they want me, They want me, and you don't not use your money for some man. I say I want to build my man. Now he reach roofing level, my man don't chase me.
Madam.
Eh?
I don't sack you so far with my promotion.
Get out of this place! Get out of here! I will carry this laptop. I will carry it to raise my money that bring this company my money. Remember, you will meet me in the house. You will meet me in the house. You will lie. Go nowhere for your life. I will leave your office, but you will meet me for hours.
Look who we have here. Queen. Why did you leave? What did you go to?
Well, realized you had me once. Do you really want to have me again?
I remember telling you that I would never want to let go of you.
I just wanted to be sure. So that's why I left. I wanted to know if you find me.
Well, I did. I looked for you everywhere. There was never a second that passed without me thinking of you.
Well, I'm here now. And I'm never going again.
Just let me try this again.
Okay, boss. Ow!
So, Queen, you haven't told me what you do for a living.
Well, I am an influencer.
Influencer. And I sense some irony because I'm a company owner and an influencer, and yet my business is not all over social media.
Well, we'll get there.
Yeah, sure.
That reminds me. Have you considered sending your proposal to IRS Limited?
You know IRS Limited?
Of course. Felix Douglas?
Yeah.
His son is heading a company now. He used to be my classmate and friend.
Great. I mean, small world. A few weeks ago, he was in my office. We discussed some business prospects, but we fell along negotiations.
No, you don't mean it. That's a big opportunity you're letting slip away.
So, can you get us back on track?
Why do you have me?
We should talk more about this. Let me get you a drink. I love this. Ronnie?
Anything?
Yes. Okay. What is this?
Care to join?
No, no, I don't do drugs.
Why?
Well, I know the effects of drugs, and it's not something I would like to try. And you should consider stopping too. It's not good for you.
You know, one day you're going to try this and thank me later. Trust me.
One day when you stop, you would also thank me. Hopefully later.
Sorry, I don't see us together.
Oh, what are you saying? Why?
I don't know, maybe I'm not used to your type of energy.
Energy? I'm not being crazy enough?
No, that's not what I'm trying to say. You know, I'm used to getting high with my man. You know, it helps me bond better with him. I don't know, but that's what helps me.
You're talking about coke, right?
Yeah.
I don't have to do coke. You can do your coke, okay? However you want it, hard, soft, slow. If you also climb the roof and have sex, we can do that. We can build a skyscraper. We can anywhere you want it.
No. But with that, that's the best way to get me. That's the only way I can enjoy you as my man. Okay? You want me to do what you want, you have to do what I want.
So what do we do now?
I don't know, but I'm not just feeling you.
So what's going to happen to this?
Sorry.
Can't be sorry yet. Can I just... the cap? Hello? Yeah, madam, where are you? Yeah, I'm home. Alright. I'll come right away. Alright, see you soon.
Roland?
Yeah, Roland.
Mike, remember our deal? 70, 30.
As long as I'm getting paid, I'd love to see him go down.
I like that.
I don't want to lose that girl, man. So that girl is everything I want in a man.
Surprised you're talking this way. Roland the Casanova.
It's not about being a Casanova. It's not even about sex or her beauty or any of those things. It's just that she has a lot she offers me. I mean, she's already influencing my business positively. But I don't want to do drugs.
But why? It's nothing for someone of your caliber.
This has nothing to do with afterlights. What are the effects of drugs? Make I go mad.
Come on, man. It's nothing you can't handle. Just to make sure you don't abuse it. See, so many influential people in this society do drugs. You never know.
Wait, why are you sounding so confident about this thing? I mean, they sniff once.
Bro, love comes with a sacrifice. And you already said she influences your business positively, so why not? I know they sniff, but come on, it's for the situation, I think.
Anyway, how far that babe that we did follow talk that day?
Babe did my house as me.
Because he's obsessed with me. So it's evident that he'll do anything to keep me, at least for now. That is why I'm letting him know my conditions this early, before he gets enough of me. But then, he's into it and can't let go. And then he ruins him for life.
And why do you believe that his friend will not betray your agreement?
He won't.
Why?
Because I know so.
What do you want?
What is going on?
If you don't have anything to say, I'd like to be left alone.
I feel used. Like I can't bear this shame anymore.
It's a resignation. I'll sign it.
Really?
What are you expecting? I was going to engage you, put a ring on your finger, wed you, have kids with you, honeymoon in Vegas, travel around the world, much respect, really. You are just a desperate one who got into his boss. So what's all this emotional drama about? Get it. Come back. I don't want to have this conversation ever again. And button up here in the office. I can't roll over such amount of stock on credit. It will affect the value of my company. Let's say it's for building a good business relationship. You see, I already lost taste in your product after the last time and I invested somewhere else. That is the reason I am here. So if you really want to do business, maybe you consider my offer on the table.
It may be off at any period. Do have a nice day, Mr. Roland.
Queen, this is 250 million naira we're talking about here.
I know. Unless you don't want to grow. Credit is part of business.
But it's still a risk.
Roland, Iris Limited is a reputable company. We already invested somewhere else but had to return with a better offer because of our friendship. I see a greater future. So imagine what you stand to gain if you decide to collaborate with them.
So what assurances do I have?
Felix is an honest and straightforward businessman. He knows his company reputation is at stake if you do not go with the agreement.
It's not like I've not given credit before. Even more than that. But this particular one I am very skeptical about.
You know what, Roland? I can tell him to back out. You know, if you don't trust me, it's fine. It's not even a big deal.
I never said I don't trust you. I never said that. It's just 250 million naira.
Think about what you stand to gain.
Sir,
It's late, sir. It's past your bedtime.
What's time?
It's 1 a.m.
Thank you very much.
What am I doing this for?
My pleasure, my pleasure. I look forward to doing what to do other years. Sure. This time I think you should take something, tea, coffee, whatever it is. Okay. Fine. Yeah, come in.
Sir.
Yeah, what is it?
My resignation letter.
Why?
I just wish to draw the curtain to my journey in your company. It wasn't the best experience, but I have to forge ahead. Thank you for everything.
Yeah, you can drop it down, forge ahead. Hello? What? In my house? Out of my way. Good day. Sorry, how can I help you guys?
Good day, Mr. Roland. My name is Officer Kennedy. I'm here with my colleague, Officer Brown. We are men from the NDLEA. You are under arrest for possession of unlawful drugs.
Okay. How did you gain access to my apartment in the first place? Where's your warrant for arrest?
All evidence now are in our office. Can you believe it?
Okay. Call my lawyer.
Yes, sir. Oh my God, Roland, but how did they find you here?
I was at the office when you called and said that some people were me at home. I rushed down here only to find the NDLEA officers. They said they were arresting me for possession of drugs.
Oh God, this is crazy. So how did you leave their custody?
What else? Some millions went down the drain.
My baby. I'm so sorry, okay? Sorry. You know, it's one of those things. We just need to be very careful.
That's what's sticking around.
Come on, come here. I'll always be there for you. I got you.
Thank you.
Sorry.
At least this is the reason for me to smile.
I got you forever.
Sis, any significant progress?
Of course. We are almost close to our target.
I resigned.
What? Why? Sis, that wasn't the plan. No. The plan was for you to stick with him so that you can facilitate the process. Why?
I know, sis, but I was getting irritated by his presence. I can't go sticking around the man that wrote. I can't.
No, do not cry. It's okay. Look, come here. It's fine. Easy. It's okay, I understand. Alright? Sis, I don't want you to cry. Listen. By the time I finish with him, even the devil will not recognize him. Stop crying. It's okay. I think you need this. It's fine. Just take a little.
No, I don't want to. I'll be sad.
Sir, please listen. With all due respect, this was not the bargain. This is not. This is definitely the time.
Sir,
Get out.
what have I done?
Get out!
Me? Talking. Listen, okay? Felix can't swindle you, and that's what I'm sure of.
Well, I'm telling you what he said. He said he cannot give me the money.
He can't say that, okay? I'm going to call him right now.
So, because it was you that actually advised me to do this in the first place.
Roland?
Yeah.
Are you trying to push the blame on me right now?
I am only saying.
And I'm also reassuring you that you will get your money.
I'm so sorry. You know, the past few weeks have been a terrible one for me. Our server was hacked by Anonymous, and we defrauded millions of dollars.
Mr. Felix, how about my money and my goods?
Okay, I understand, but there's only one solution to salvage the situation.
Which is?
We are selling shares. Yeah, I can give you the major share. You see, I owe you that, so I'm giving you the option of first refusal. That's if you don't mind.
Mr. Felix, I am not interested in your shares. What I want is my money or my goods. When am I getting it?
Very soon then. Very soon. Very soon. I promise.
It's too much if you ask me. Something that I don't feel safe doing. Excuse me, I'll take this call. Hello?
Why wouldn't you want the majority share in Iris Limited? Are you out of your mind?
I am actually fully in my mind. And one thing I know for sure is I don't want to fall a victim again.
Oh, I see. You're scared. Roland, no businessman succeeds with this mindset of yours, okay? You are offered opportunity to move your brand to the next level. You're acting like a chicken?
It would be a privilege for me to be a majority shareholder in Iris Limited. But one thing I know for sure is that this would end in stories. I'm a businessman, I can sense it already.
No, Roland, business is a risk, okay? Take this risk and move your business to the next level, or think the way you're thinking and remain stagnant.
I have lost so much money to this man. So much money already.
Even with me as a shorty? Huh?
So sorry about that, yeah? So sorry. So how much are we talking about now?
Okay, the share is worth 500 million. So when you deduct the amount I owe you.
300 million. That's too much.
Okay, unless you will settle for a minority share.
No.
Fine. I'll give you 200 million naira.
That's quite below the valuation. Okay, I will talk to my father now. Revert shortly. Alright. Thanks for your time. Eh? I will leave now. Thank you.
I am making
Hey, shh. I know you're mad, but trust me, we'll tie them later.
I just came inside here for one I saw her put on the floor. I was just checking if it was like that's neat. I didn't kill her, I swear to God.
Is that what you tell the police? Tell me what did she do to you? Don't you come close to me!
Okay, fine. I swear to God, everything I owed away, I did not kill her.
You did!
Oh, I'm just kidding out like this.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Please.
No, I'm not going anywhere with you.
Alright, just wait here, I'll be right back, okay?
No, I'm going home, okay? I can't be with you for this whole mess. I can't. I have to go home.
I'll call you then.
Have you made payments for the majority share?
Yes, everything has been signed and sealed.
Oh shit.
What is it? Talk to me, what's the problem?
That was an imaginary share. Iris Limited has not gone bankrupt or sold a share in the last 10 years.
That's not possible. You must be joking. Look, he was even here a few days ago. We signed and sealed everything. We even spoke about, future partnership prospects. You don't get it. Idemudia has just 2 daughters. So what are you saying? Have a look.
They've not gone bankrupt in a decade. They've not sold any shares in 10 years.
Who the fuck is Felix?
A fraudster, maybe.
You need to chill. 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 Well, calm down. Felix, calm me. Felix, calm me. You need to chill. Just chill. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy.
Yes, I'm fine. I'm actually in a hurry, okay? I'll talk to you later.
How are you?
I didn't say you resigned.
Yeah, I did, but boss sent me a mail, so I'm back. How are you doing?
Hey, God. Well, that's like boss, so. You see what's waiting between his legs? Not all of na day. Fine. You don't enter all of na eyes. You don't just resign, no. You don't carry your 2 left legs. Come back. What's it?
I'm very, very busy, please. you may leave. Please, leave, huh? Okay, leave.
I've been here with you before. Yeah, leave.
Thank you.
Did anyone come into the house?
No. Okay, yes, mother. Yeah.
Did she carry anything with her, a file or something?
Yes, a brand new thing.
Shit.
Sir, is there any problem?
Shit.
It's just the thing they do this one or that thing.
I have nothing to live for. Get out. Get out!
Oh God, you get everything to live for. Get everything to live for. If you they talk like this, what me I will come to? You will get plenty more.
Plenty money, right? Ozoma. Very soon. You see all my wealth, my riches, everything you're seeing. So you're rich. It's all a mirage. Very soon, you'll see it no more. Gone. I was ruined by a pretty devil. Pretty devil. Well. Look who we have here. The smart one. You know, you deserve an Oscar or an AMVCA for the performance you put up.
Okay, compliment accepted. So let's get to business. You and I can agree that you will bankrupt now. Soon banks will come for their loan now, obviously. So this document is for total forfeiture of your company. For the house, the banks will come for it anyway, so you just do me good, sign these papers, and be fast with it. You're very busy now.
What kind of juju one are you using? Is it on the island or on the mainland? Present a paper to me and I'll just sign it. Huh? You think you would have your way this time? Huh? Huh?
Well, we are doing it together.
Oh my God. Why am I not surprised? Oh my God. Committee of witches and wizards came together to ruin me. Queen. Mr. Felix, I'm going to make it very clear to you. You are not living here without returning every single thing that you stole from me. Do you understand me? You will return everything that you stole from me!
Well, Mr. Roland, not when I can press charges for murder. And remember, you still have a drug case going on. And what if I had rape? Yes, Ruth. She is my blood sister.
It makes sense. So this has been a game right from the very beginning?
Well. Looks like it.
Take me to court. To do that, you need lots and lots of evidence to prove these allegations. And I'm very sorry because you don't have any evidence.
So
if I was you, and you get the hell out of my house, but not until you've returned every single thing of mine that you stole from me.
I can take you to court, right?
Yes.
Anyways,
take you to court.
Maybe you do not know, Mr. Roland. I have a picture of you and the girl you murdered in your bedroom. All in my custody, just in case you do not know. So how's it gonna be?
Anthony Joshua. So it's time to sign papers. Time to throw punches gun. So you do me a favor. And you sign the papers real quick. Be fast, run out of time.
Or we call the police. Which do you want?
Get you with this.
You know, you've done really great if you sign a contract with WWE. That point was really hard. Why? I appreciate it.
Good boy. Please. Say my thanks to Mr. Mind. He played a very vital role. Sorry. It will help knock her out for hours. Yeah. Good. Just easy.
What are you doing here?
Are we no longer friends?
We are friends, of course. We're friends.
So can't I visit my friend?
Of course you can visit, but I was just thinking you chill downstairs.
Seems like you're traveling.
Just going out for a few days, nothing serious.
Or maybe you're just trying to run away from a friend you deceived.
I don't know what friend
you betrayed.
What are you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about.
Queen. Felix.
What are you doing to go?
Have you ever pictured what your last day on earth would look like?
Come on, man. It hasn't got into this.
What would the last thing you would ever see before you die?
Brother, please.
Are you ready or not? I wanna play this game. The game is on, the lights are on. We're playing through the night.